Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the Holistic Health Coach. Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji at Ang 742 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji is very fascinating. Suhi Mahalla Panchwa, Guruji says, Vaikunt Nagar Jaha Sant Vasa, which means heaven is where saints live. Now, before your mind imagines clouds, angels, Wi-Fi free zones, take a breath. Guruji is not talking about a location. Guruji is talking about a consciousness. Yes, heaven is actually an inner GPS location, no roaming charges. So in the next verse, Guruji says, Prabh Charan Kamal Rid Mahe Nivasa, which means saints keep the divine in their heart. So here Guruji is basically saying when your heart becomes a neat, clean, peaceful room, the divine checks in. But when your mind becomes messy, storeroom, even you don't want to check in. So heaven is not somewhere you go. Heaven is somewhere. Heaven is something you become. Now here's the scientific logic. When your mind holds divine qualities, and what are the divine qualities? Calmness, gratitude, awareness. Your amygdala, which is the panic factory, goes on lunch break. Your prefrontal cortex, which is the CEO of clarity, comes online. Your nervous system says, yes, peace mode on. Your hormones release a silent party. This entire biological shift feels like Vaikunt. And this is not metaphor, this is neurobiology wearing a chola. Now there are two kinds of minds in this world. Mind number one, that is type 1, that is the reactive mind. Why did he say this? Why didn't she say that? Why is universe personally attacking me always? This mind doesn't need hell. It carries a portable hell inside. Now mind type 2. That is the aware mind. Now this aware mind pauses, looks, understands, and half of its problems evaporate simply because it saw the truth as it is and not as it interprets. When the mind becomes empty of noise, I repeat, when the mind becomes empty of noise, the truth can enter. Why? Because when energy is pure, reactions reduce. So Gurbani merges both these distinctions beautifully into one, which says, Sun man tan tuj sukh dikhlavao, which means listen, oh mind and body, let me show you peace. So Guruji is acting like both a scientist and a spiritual surgeon, cutting out confusion and stitching in clarity. Har anik binjan tuj pog puchavo. Rahao, there's a pause here. So that you may eat and enjoy the various delicacies of the Lord. Not literal Rajma Chawal. These are the inner flavors: joy, clarity, stability, love, courage, silence, intuition. Basically, a buffet of consciousness. And the best part is no calories. A man said once, I want to see God. A wise person told him, clean the mirror of your mind, you will see him in the reflection. The mind said, but the mirror is dirty because life is difficult. The wise man replied, no, life feels difficult because your mirror is dirty. This is what Gurbani is telling us today. Now, here's one assignment for you today. First of all, look at the being, not doing, the being part. being joyful, being frustrated, being empty, and not the doing part. What actions you are taking, and those actions are the outcome of your being. So the assignment is, who was I being in my last upset? Last time when you got upset, we all get upset. And last time when you got upset, who was I being in my last upset? Take one situation from the last 48 hours when you got irritated or hurt. Now write down what happened. What did I make it mean? Who was I in that moment? Maybe fearful, reactive, insecure, egoic. Then ask yourself, who could I have been instead? Aware, peaceful, truthful, compassionate, and what would have shifted if I changed my being? Now, this single assignment can show you exactly where your inner Bacchant opens and where your inner hell gets created. So, heaven is not after death, heaven is after awareness. You don't need to go anywhere, just come back to yourself. So, implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji, Sarbat Da Pala, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.